Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends on PC. First, you'll need to download the free game client directly from the official League of Legends website. Once downloaded, create a Riot Games account. This is essential for accessing the game and all its features. Before you begin, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth and enjoyable experience. This simple setup gets you ready for the action. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics. You'll control your champion using a combination of your mouse for movement and targeting, and your keyboard for abilities. The main goal is to destroy the enemy team's nexus, located at their base. The map features 3 distinct lanes and a jungle area in between, each offering unique strategic opportunities. Mastering these basics is key to early success. With over 160 unique champions, choosing your favorite is part of the fun. Each champion has a specific role, like a durable tank, a powerful mage, or a damage-dealing marksman. Experimenting with different champions will help you discover a playstyle that truly suits you. Don't be afraid to try new characters and explore their unique abilities and strategies. League of Legends is a team game, so working collaboratively with your 4 teammates is crucial for victory. During each match, you'll earn experience points and gold to strengthen your champion, unlocking new abilities and items. Consistent practice is vital to improve your skills, understand game flow, and eventually climb the competitive ranked ladder. Enjoy the journey of becoming a better player.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.